Welcome to our channel. If you want to reset your Chromecast device to factory settings, follow these step-by-step instructions to restore it to its original state and fix any problems. Step 1. Locate the physical reset button on your Chromecast device. For Chromecast with Google TV, the button is on the back of the device near the power port. Step 2. Ensure your Chromecast is plugged in and powered on before attempting the reset process. Step 3. Press and hold the reset button on your Chromecast device. The LED light on the device will start to blink, indicating the reset process has begun. Step 4. Continue holding the reset button for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. The LED light will turn solid white, then blink yellow, and finally turn solid white again. Step 5. Release the reset button when the LED light turns solid white for the second time. Your Chromecast will now begin the factory reset process automatically. Step 6. Wait while the device completes the reset. The Chromecast will restart and the TV screen will go blank temporarily during this process. Step 7. Once the reset is complete, your Chromecast will display the initial setup screen on your TV, just like when you first unboxed it. Step 8. You can now set up your Chromecast from scratch following the on-screen instructions. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password and Google account credentials ready for the setup process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.